Nyanja or CHINYANJA. In this episode, we're going to talk about how to greet in Nyanja. Now, just like many other Zambian languages, there are two ways to greet in Nyanja. One is informal and the other one is formal. Under informal, this is when you're addressing people like your brother, your sister, friend, colleagues, people that you don't necessarily need to address with respect. And it's also used as a singular when you're addressing just one person. Under formal, this is when you're addressing elderly people like your mom or your boss or your dad, people that you address with respect. And it's also used as a plural when you're addressing more than one person. Let's get into it. Ulibwanji or mulibwanji means how are you? Bwino ulibwanji or bwino mulibwanji means I'm fine and how are you? Waukabwanji or mwaukabwanji means good morning. Bwino waukabwanji or bwino mwaukabwanji means good morning to you too. Wachomabwanji or mwachomabwanji means good afternoon, or it can mean good evening. Bwino wachomabwanji or bwino mwachomabwanji means good evening to you too. Ugone bwino or mugone bwino means sleep well or good night. Zikomo naiwe ugone bwino or zikomo naimwe mugone bwino means thanks or thank you, sleep well or good night too. Tizaona na mailo or tizaona na bwino means see you tomorrow or see you later. Follow for more.